Good morning. Today is day 26 of our challenge. Let's view a quick trade disclaimer and then go into the chart. I haven't seen the chart today, and yesterday we actually did not do anything unless take a loss on Kava, and we're still just in that hedge long from around 39k. And basically it was for me it was kind of hard to get in more. I didn't trust this price action, and then eventually the ES had touched support and moved up, and Bitcoin followed. Our equity has dropped quite a few K because we're still in all shorts. I did take one long on Dodo. I was eyeing this one for a while already, since it's opened up on bybit on the 22nd of April, and I haven't taken any profits on this one, and I will probably let it run till it stops out or takes the high. For the rest, I got stopped out of GRT as well. Dogecoin shooted up yesterday and it nearly got stopped out. Might be stopped out today, but I'm just gonna chill in this short for now. I was thinking about maybe closing everything, but I'm still not so happy with the low on Bitcoin, even though we have moved up already. Let's see what the chart brings today, and I'll play some music and then talk about it in a few minutes.
Hebben ze vertrouwen. Hebben ze vertrouwen.
So basically, first thing on the mid time frame 4 hour, what we can see is, so we still have this kind of beautiful range going on with some deviations on the lower side, on the top side. We're right now above this point of control. We have the CC area here with the value area high of this local range. We do have some naked point of controls just above it. Let's quickly see. This should be right there, yes. So very simply, for today we just need to watch this range. The first good resistance is over here. I would expect, if we get there, to claim those point of controls. Maybe not at first, so maybe something like that, or maybe pushing down to the point of control again and taking these lows, these naked point of controls, and maybe we see another full rotation of the range. Since this is poor low, we do have some naked sessions that haven't been cleaned up. It's only been a day, so this is the first thing to watch. If we can claim this today or during the rest of the week, I actually would expect higher, and that this could be a more significant low, and we move up to probably, let's see if we get some other levels over there. Yeah, probably we'll move up to that monthly open again, where all this resistance is located. Let's see, the bigger CC is over there. I would skip that one and look for the 0.75 together with all this naked point of controls daily. We might even need to consider a bigger box, which is already too big, so order flow will be a major case, making a major case over there. But first of all, we need to leave this range, and for now this is going to be a good resistance to watch for. Let's remove this. If we don't get above this, we would expect a full rotation of the range. I might even expect another low, because on the 4-hour we still are having bearish market structure, so we would expect a new low if this CC area doesn't hold. For now, say that we do get up there, then this would move somewhere around that box, and then we'll also have a CC on the value area low of this range on the daily. Might even wick and take some of these naked point of controls, and then the range would still continue. So basically it's very more or less easy. And let's switch to a 15-minute time frame and see. So on the 15 minutes we do have quite some bullish market structure. This has been a fast rise with not a lot of support build up, so this can drop as fast as it has risen. I'm not quite sure about this low yet. And for me it's gonna be watching this. Say that we do claim that and try to move higher, that would be a reason for me to close all the shorts and wait for more price action, because right now we're mostly in shorts and our equity is dropping pretty fast, faster than I would like. But if we reject here, there's no reason to close the shorts. We're in from right there on Bitcoin. So basically I would only trade this range right now. Might even compound that short again here, since it's not gonna make a big difference if we get there. Compound the short, might get stopped out, do nothing with the long and let the long run. If we do have a good rejection here and form some bearish market structure, I would consider closing this long from 39k and let it come all back. And that's basically how I would trade Bitcoin today. There's no reason to long right here, no reason to compound my long yet. Say that we first hit that that CC right there, then I might just compound the long and look for higher. Let's see where the pivots are for today. So we do have a pivot. That is gonna be a good drop. Another thing that I saw, let's remove some things, is that we do have a CCV setup today. Let's see this. So a CCV setup would be if we get some candles, some 30-minute candles closes below the previous day value area high, that we would expect the value area low. But you can trade for this right now, but we're held up by the point of control of this range. First clue would be losing this point of control, backtesting the daily open, then we could maybe already trade for this, but it is only activated when the previous day value area low and we get accepted in this range. Pivot is actually something that you should look out for. It could reverse there already, but the main thing is keeping this range. That's basically it for today. Look for a CCV setup. If we get this, if we get this drop, this rise will probably be all gone. Otherwise, look for the CC with the value area high. If we reject there, range continues. If we move up, we'll probably eventually in time go to 44, maybe 45. That's it for Bitcoin. I will probably do another stream in a few moments time, and it will be a chill stream and just chart some altcoins. Have a great trading day, stay safe, and I'll see you in a bit. Thank you very much.